Here we come to the gallery elevators at the Bullock Texas State History Museum in Austin, Texas. This is an interesting setup. This one is a regular center opening, and this one's got a 2-speed with an interesting cab configuration. Looks like we're going to be getting, we're going to be getting this one first. We're going to get this one. Look at this interesting configuration. This is nice. 4. Oh, you can only go to 3. Does this open? Nope, they don't. This one's kind of small. These are your fixtures. I'm gonna send this up when we get the other elevator car, the regular center opening door. See, that's the 2-speed door elevator. We're gonna get the other one. I love the stylish cab. 3. Here we are, 3. Your phone. Oh, it didn't ring. There we go. I really love the motor on this elevator. There you go. All right, there it goes. And that's it.